So to convert a decimal to a fraction, you are just going to put it over whatever place it's in. So let's say, for example, you have 0.6. Well, this is in the 10 spot, so that means I'm going to put it over 10, okay? It's also one place behind the decimal, so we add 1 0, all right? If you had 0.24, well, that's in the hundredths spot. It's also 2 places behind the decimal, so that means I'm going to add 2 zeros. Okay, let's say you had a number like 1.4. Well, 1 is your whole number, so that just stays. And then 4 is one place behind the decimal, or it's in the tens spot, so that means I put it over 10, or 1 0. Okay, so one place behind the decimal has 1 0 added to the 1. 2 places behind the decimal has 2 places added to the 1. Let's say, for example, you had something like 2.567. See if you can write what that is going to look like as a fraction. So pause the video. Alright, hopefully you paused the video and wrote it, but the 2 stays because that's your whole number. You have 5, 6, 7. Well, there's 3 numbers there, so we're going to add 3 zeros, okay? So that's how you do a decimal to a fraction, and then you kind of solve it like normal. So let's say, for example, I had 0.6 minus 1/2. Well, I want to change this to a fraction first. So I have my 6. It's in one place behind the decimal, so I add 10 minus 1/2. And now I just solve this fraction like I normally would. I get a common denominator, and then I solve it, okay? So for this one, if I want to solve this one, 10 is going to be my common denominator, so I'm going to multiply this by 5. Multiply this by 5, so I get 5 over 10. So now 6 minus 5 is 1 over 10. Alright, and that's it. That's how you convert a decimal to a fraction.